Okay, hello YouTube. I'm just going to do a little second part here. Alright, this is some other type of pliers. Start over on this side. Hose pliers. Pulling hose off. Something else this is really good for, but don't recommend. Grab somebody right by the middle of the nose. Grab and hold of them. Or get on the fingers too. Same type thing. These ones are more for spark plug boot, so give you that reach down. Things are like 18 inches or 20 inches long. Pair of X-style needle nose. It's for getting into places that are very difficult to get to with a large pair or another pair of pliers to get a little bit deeper reach. That's an oil filter wrench from Channel Lock. Those are said dikes. These ones are Mac. There's another set of dikes, small ones. And as you can see, those are snap-ons. These here are just standard linesman plier. These ones are actually her brand. Her brand always liked using the blue color. I think gray also did too. And these here, they're made by the Thomas and Betts Company. Patent. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. The tip's broken on it too. This is what's called a dragon's tooth plier. That's for crimping. Yeah, if I throw something in that's kind of old, some of you or some of you might know. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's a KD number 470. This KD Manufacturing Company, Lancaster, PA, made in the USA. Let's see if we can get a look at that. What this is a tire hammer. This is for putting the weights on and taking the weights off the tire. I just throw that in for an extra little bit. So yeah, there's some of my fucking stuff. I got a hell of a lot more. This is just kind of some of the stuff I pulled out quickly. But in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by, say hello. Dano out.